Hey everybody, this is going to be another quick just walkthrough tutorial. This is for a gun holster style stylist pouch. So like hairstylists that are going to need someplace to put the scissors and trimmers or whatever, clips, combs. That's what this is going to be for. How you're going to do this, let me get the pieces out of the way here. So here's going to be this piece right here lines up with this line here. So I'm probably going to do the belt loop first. So it kind of goes here upside down and then sews like that. Okay, like that. Now, if you want to make this smaller so that it sits differently on your belt, feel free to make this piece, half size if you want to, and it would just bring it smaller, down like that. Anyway, so I'm going to do the belt loop, and then I'm going to, this goes here, and this is the goes across like that, right about there. So this is for putting your clips, like hair clips. And it is just a tad longer, so that when you sew it, it creates it pops up just a little bit like that. So it has, easy to get those clips on and off. But so I'm going to sew this down, and sew this down here with this on it first, right? So once that's there, then, and the belt loop, then I can fold it over and sew along this left side. And the left side, I don't know if I can do it right here one-handed. Left side is, and the bottom is going to have this pocket right here, right? So it's going to go, your needle is going to go through this one, and this side when you fold them together. I'm going to get these initial pieces done, and I'll show you real quick how that's going to look. Okay, so here it is, finished. Yeah, so like I said, I first stitched down this side to the main body after I did the belt loop here. So the belt loop does first, then I stitched this pocket and this tab down here. Then I just folded it over, stitched all the way up and back down the other side, and that's it. It's also nice if you can bevel and burnish those sides. Gives it a nice little professional look. But yeah, it's a perfect size for putting the scissors in here, combs or whatnot, or even the trimmers, like the electrical trimmers, if you wanted to, like the rechargeable ones, not the corded ones, or corded if you want to. But and then the clips here, just some place to hold them. Yeah, I think it came out nice. So I'm gonna go grab some scissors and stuff that my wife has, and take some pictures so you can see examples of what this is gonna look like. All right, right back. Okay, here's a quick look with the with some styling scissors and a comb and some clips in place, so you can kind of see how this is going to turn out wearing it. Yeah, I think it came out nice. Again, if you have any questions or comments or ideas to improve this, feel free to contact me on Facebook, Instagram, through Etsy, or any of those, and send me pics of yours of how's your turned out. All right, sounds good. Talk to you later and see you next time. Thanks. Hey everybody, just a quick update real quick for this holster, Stylist Holster. Yeah, these little pieces right here, these fold along the dotted line there, fold, and there's the rivet hole, and you punch that, and this goes inside the holster for additional pockets or for smaller scissors if you don't have the really long scissors and so you need some a way to hold them in there better. Let me show you how that looks real quick. So here it is. I have 2 of them in there, and the pattern has holes for 2 of those rivets, and so I went ahead and put 2 of them in there just to show you how that looks in place. If you want to go this route and use these, they're optional. Like I have in the pattern, you don't have to use these. If you want to use larger instruments or larger scissors and stuff. Let me show you how that looks with some smaller ones real quick. Hold on. So here's how those look with shorter scissors in place. They're just a little bit easier to get a hold of when they're in the holster, but then also allow for still some additional space for putting some other stuff here if you need it. Yeah, just in case on how you have your setup and what's comfortable for you. Yeah, so let me get some glamour shots of this one as well, and then let you get at it. All right. If you have any questions, again, let me know. You can contact me on Facebook or Etsy or Instagram or any of these, and I'd love to see how yours turn out. All right. Thanks. Good luck.